And there we go, I think. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are we're gonna keep working on phase 1. So I said before we will probably do phase 3 first. But I guess we're not gonna do that. Phase 3 is in pretty good shape already though, so today we're just gonna proceed with phase 1. We're gonna do we're gonna try some basic animations. No, wait, that's not true. We're gonna set up some hitboxes, some basic hitboxes with Placeholder Graphics, and we're gonna set up some terrain interaction to have the boss like destroy blocks and stuff. We're probably gonna set up some projectiles, maybe. We'll see about that. So interestingly enough, for phase 1, the boss is only going to like the projectiles are gonna be sprites that already exist in the game. So we don't have to code those. We just have to spawn them and see if we can make something happen, I guess. I'm not super happy using the normal bomb because it's a little buggy by default. With like if you stun it at certain points and whatever. I'm not sure we have to do anything about that. It's just something that irks me a little bit, but it should be fine. So let's just review what we made last time, or look at it. So we fixed this code, fixed everything in generate chunk. We set up the this chunk table much better to actually have 8 types of chunks. And we made it so chunks are always 4 blocks wide, so 4 chunks is a full screen. We added much better RNG control, so that now the chunks have a sort of cooldown. Each chunk has a cooldown of like 3 iterations. So after a chunk has been generated, that chunk cannot be generated again until 3 other chunks have been generated. And that means that for every time a chunk is being generated, there are 3 that are on cooldown and can't be picked. So for every chunk, there is a list of 5 chunks that can be generated. This also makes it so that some of our more like obnoxious chunks, or like degenerate chunks, whatever we want to call them, like the pit or the platform type 2, which is the wide platform, they can't be generated like too much after each other. So because of this system, we're gonna see a lot of it just turned out to be a lot more stable. We're gonna see a lot of flats, obviously. Flat 1, flat 2, flat 3. This is the most common type. There are 3 types of this, and the ramps are sort of like, they're pretty similar to the flats as well. So we're gonna see a lot of like kind of rough but mostly flat ground. So I'm just gonna move this up above this stuff here. We're not gonna access that very much. This right now, these are currently sub-labels to P1 walk, which is probably not what we want. But I'm not sure what we're gonna do about it. Well, I'm not sure how we're gonna structure all the like face labels currently. We'll get to it. Let's just try making it and running it, see how it turns out. Oh, that's not good. So here we are. Let's go phase 1. Let's go. So this is the sort of terrain we're generating. And here we have a pit 1. Yeah, the boss is gonna fall down here. It's pretty funny. But he doesn't despawn from going off screen, so he still doesn't die. So these are some flats here. These are 2 ramps after each other actually. Then this is a pit, flat 2, flat 1, platform type 2, followed by ramp right, followed by flat 2, followed by flat 3, followed by both the platform types and a pit. So this is like, this is as degenerate as it gets, right? Platform 1, platform 2, pit, platform 1. And then I guess this could actually repeat this pattern here because there's enough space in between, but maybe the platform should have bigger cooldown. I don't know actually. But because this part here was pretty degenerate, And also we considered last time making it so maybe pits can't spawn until later in the fight, like after the boss has taken some damage, because the pits are obviously way more dangerous than any other terrain currently. And maybe we make the platforms like spawn at random heights, so they're not always at that height. I think that is height 8. Yeah, that's height 8. So maybe like sometimes spawning them on like height 7, which could sometimes be hard to jump up to. I don't know. We might do that. But yeah, this is what we got so far with our random terrain generation. It was easier than I thought, but also posed some challenges that I was not ready for. Or, well, I guess I was ready for them since I was able to face them, but some unexpected challenges. So now we're gonna work on, we're gonna bring up the concept art again, if I can find it. I'm sure I can. Let's see here. The completion project, let's find, where is it? Damn it. Here, found it. We should just add this to the design doc. I'm gonna do that. See here. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's take this. Can we just... Oh, I already have it. Oh. Let's just add it then. File, no, it's insert, isn't it? Image, upload from computer, downloads, Norveg concepts. Let's go. Like so. That should do it. Oh, no. Oh, if I put backspace here, it deletes the... Oh. No, can we not... Can we... do that? Okay, that works. Here we go. This is gonna be the concept art. We're gonna be working off of this, right? Can we maybe do that? Like so. So we're gonna make something that like sort of resembles this here, this mech, this one mechy boy. This one mechy boy. Let's see. Hello Anon and welcome to the stream. Let's see. I wonder if we need to like make some placeholder graphics for this. Maybe we should do that. Because we can just use some vanilla graphics, I guess. I kind of want to get the... I kind of don't remember what graphics are in which file though. Let's see. Norveg and graphics. Let's just get some stuff, I guess. Here, maybe? We should get a real palette. This is so ugly. Whatever. Let's get another YYCHR going. And let's get... Do we have X graphics? What is this? X graphics 100. Let's see, X graphics there. Okay, you're going with the editing route, eh? I considered doing something like that. At first I thought I was just gonna record and then like upload later, but I figured that I'm not gonna bother editing anything anyway, so it's probably better to just stream. For me, I think that's better. I think videos that are edited are probably better, especially compared to my streams. But yeah, that's why I went with streaming instead. Let's see, what do we have here? You don't have anything there. Let's see what we can do. So this is our custom file. This is gonna be in SP2, probably. What is even in SP2 in original Mario World? We have this stuff. Do we need any of this stuff? I guess we can use everything on SP. Yeah, we already have the bullet bill and the... We don't have the bob-omb here? What? Why is the bob-omb not on SP2? I'm sorry. I should know this stuff. Where is it? Probably here, right? No. Just this thing. It's so hard to see. Let's just get... how do you do this? You... how do you get the palette? You do this, right? Make this a custom one. And then export it. Temp. That's what it's gonna be called. Save, whatever. Palette, open. And I have to navigate that. There we go. Oh, it goes like this. I see. Get the background color as well. That's actually pretty nice. Actually, that's hella nice. There we go. Now we can use these colors instead. That's much better. So where... I guess we should check here then. So where is the bob-omb? How do we even know which one is which? We're just gonna look through. Sorry, this is gonna be a bit of a lull here. We're gonna go slow at the start, it seems. So we have... This is useless. Why can't you just default to 4BPP? Like, what else do you even use? 7 maybe? Anything on 7? I wish I could tell which one are even sprites. Here's something. No. So we're looking for the bob-omb. And I'm a scrub, so I don't know where to find it. We're looking for the bob-omb because we're actually going to use that one. We don't need to worry about bullet bill because it's on SP2. But we're going to need to have the bob-omb in... yeah, I really say it like that, don't I? Bob-omb. We're going to need the bob-omb in our SP3 file. And that's probably going to be true for all versions of this, even the final one. Let's see. You don't want a bob-omb on your marriage night? I guess not. Unless it's Scott Pilgrim's sex bob-omb. Haha, got him. What is this? I can't even tell what this is. I guess it's some mode 7 thing or whatever. This isn't it either. It's kind of fun to click through these. I haven't looked at these for so long. It's almost nostalgic. Pretty sure 15 is just a background file. But I'm gonna look at it anyway. Yep. Okay, I think I even saw it. Yeah, didn't see it. 18 maybe. Is this a fun stream? Okay, so there are a bunch in like files before 10. No way, did I click the same one again? Oh man. Maybe it's easier to just type. I don't have to move my hands around so much. Here maybe? Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we got the shore on the fun stream question. Awesome. Let's go. Okay, I know for sure 1E is used on the overworld, but let's try it anyway. Oh! Yeah, that's definitely an overworld thing if it looks like that. I could do that. Sure. Maybe I could. Or well, I definitely could. I don't know if I'm gonna do it. I might do it. I haven't thought about it so far. Damn, this Bob-omb is so hard to find. Who would have thought the Bob-omb would be like the most rare sprite? There's no way the Bob-omb is like later than the fucking rhinoceros fireman. Whoa, what is this? A translucent Mario head? What in the world? What is this used for? That's so weird. Why is this here? Why does this exist? What is this thing? Huh. 25. Reznor. Yoshi. Yeah, I figured it's for the Bowser battle because it had Bowser stuff there, but like when is Mario's face only used? Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Very interesting. Okay, let's skip the 2 BBP files. 89AB. What is 2C? Nope. Have I skipped it already? I really don't know what I'm doing here. 2D, 2E. Thank you. 2F. 30? Now I think I've definitely went past it somehow. Yep. So now we're on the dynamic files. What in the world? How did I miss it? How did I miss it? Alright. Well, I went through every single file. Which one is it? Okay, I should have just checked right away, I guess. Bob-omb. 2! SP4 equal. Oh man. I didn't check those ones. I forgot that these are not. Oh, whatever. Okay, so this is SP4. So we have this part here, right? This part here is spoken for. This is taken. Wait, how big is X graphics here? This one should be 8 kilobytes, I'm pretty sure. Can we make Lunar Magic load an 8 kilobyte file? I think we can. I really think we can. Let's see. Let's just make this twice as big or whatever. Insert some bytes. Let's do, how many is that? 1,000. Like so. Yes, reload it. Thank you, YYCHR. So now we know that we're gonna use the second page only right now. So we're just gonna take this, put it here. Bob-omb is go. Wait, we probably need. I didn't save this, did I? No, good. Right, we need this thing as well above Mr. Bob-omb here. Very good. Do we want anything else from here? I don't think so. Maybe the fire? I don't think we were gonna use that though. Let's see, we definitely want the this thing here. We're gonna use this as a placeholder. Like so. This is gonna be the, like cockpit glass or whatever. I think we only need these 2 tiles for the bomb. What else do we want? Just for placeholder purposes. Where were the Dino Rhinos again? I guess this is gonna be our go-to way of looking that up, huh? Dino Rhino 6E23. There we go. Okay, so I think we're gonna use this for the like jet portion of the thing. I'm just gonna take this, plop it here. And then we want, I guess we just want a bunch of blocks. Oh, I guess those are in, I guess we can use this. We'll just use this. It's gonna be like building Legos. You just take things that are not meant to be used like this and you just do it anyway. So I guess, okay, so we're building this thing, right? We just need parts that can sort of approximate this. Where's the torpedo TED 6? Let's get them. Get them, boys. Let's use this thing as the sort of this can like, this sort of looks like a gun, I guess, if you do that. Yeah, this totally looks like a gun, dude. We're gonna use this. We're defs gonna use this. And I guess this is gonna be the like propulsion thing at the back. If we just take this, right? This is sort of an underrated part of like making things. Oh, this looks way better. Does it? Does this look better or worse? I can't tell. If we flip this, this can be like, this can work with this, right? Right? This sort of looks like it could work. Let's, I guess we need sort of a, how are we gonna place these? Okay, so we need this for the, I guess we only need one. Yeah, we'll use one of these for the glass. We need a spike for the front. Spike, falling spike, spike top, no. Falling spike, falling spike, falling spike, there we go. 3, huh? No, damn it. Butterfingers. Here, let's get this guy. Boom. Flip them. Flip and dip them. And then for this like big spike up here, I guess we'll just stretch this guy out or something. How do we even do that? Can you do that in YYCHR? I don't think so. There's no like resize thing, right? Edit? Nope. Alright, Paint can't actually upscale anything. GIMP, I guess? GIMP always takes forever to load. Come on. Let's go. This is gonna be our background, and let's just, and then image transform, no, layer, scale? We need to scale the canvas first, I think. I guess I should have done that. Height is gonna be, how big is that thing? I guess times 3 is good, 43, 48. Yeah, resize, let's go. Image, no, where was it? I was just doing that. Layer, scale layer, there we go. Height, 48, and let's unlock them. No, and we want none. Thank you. It's kind of gross that like, I have to do all this stuff just for this. What? It still doesn't work? Fucking damn it, GIMP. Anchor. Oh my gosh. Ah, I hate GIMP. And now we can do this. Scale. Unlock them. 48. Scale. Does this work? Can we... I wonder if we can even copy this back. Let's see. Come on. No! The colors are all wrong. Oh. Okay, let's see if we can figure it out. We just have to match these, right? So clipboard and preview. So we want. Wait, how do they? Right click switch. Wait, you can only remove them? Can't you move them around? That's obviously the thing I want to do. Palette order prioritize high frequency color. No, fuck you. I order the colors. Can you actually not move them around? What? Pasted images need in remapping palette. You can use replace color function. No! I want to remap it now, when I can see it. What? This is terrible. Can we get an update to this fucking program already? Ah. Now I'm upset. I don't even want to continue with this now. This is so bad. Okay, fine. We'll put it here, and we'll just. What do we even? I guess. Have you ever used this function here, the color remapper? It's really confusing, right? Because you click two colors, then you click from colors, and then it might work. That's what you have to do. So I guess this is gonna be black, and then this orange one is actually correct. Is this one correct? Yeah, I guess it is. But the black one here, two colors, is gonna be this one. Yeah, there we go. Okay, see how easy that was? Why can't we just do that right away? Stupid program. Yeah, I've seen the A-Sprites thing. I believe it was showed on a C3. I've never tried it though. Maybe I'm just stupid complaining about this program when there are better alternatives. That's very possible. I don't really like how this spike, how this up here looks. I'm gonna do. It doesn't really look like a spike, you know, with all this black up here. Maybe. Maybe the thing to do is just. Why am I even worrying about this? It's just a placeholder anyway. But we can do this, right? Is that fine? I guess it's gonna have to do. What is this, 6, right? Yeah. But I guess we also have to. Yeah, this is gonna have to do. This will do. Why do I have 2 of these? Alright, whatever. Alright, go away, GIMP. And now, what else do we need? What is it? I wonder if we can use this. We can use. This is a good like joint thing, right? We need like a foot. We need a foot for this part. What's gonna be our foot? This can be a foot. No, this isn't actually translucent. I thought it would be. Or is it? No. Okay. We can use. I don't know. I guess we can use this. This sort of looks like a Bionicle's foot, right? Here. This is gonna be so scuffed, but that's fun. We get. Yeah, that's exactly right, Anon. I'm just I just want some stuff to work with. And no, it's not gonna look anything close to this when it's done. But I just want to see if we can if we can start working on like some sort of animations, I guess. Because like with just the stuff we just have this like tiny Koopa, and no, the graphics are not made. We only have this. This is all we have. At least that's what I was told. We just have the concept art. The concept art is fantastic. I love it, but we can't use this in the game, obviously. So basically, I just want an image that is like the right size. Basically, the right size and shape. And when it's this big, the shape actually really matters, because especially for this, because it's gonna have like so many different hitboxes. Like it's gonna have like one here, one on the spike, one on this spike, a hurt box here, and probably like a solid box here. I see. I wonder if we can use this for anything. Nah. Alright, the Tanuki boss. I don't really know much about the bosses in this project, honestly. So that's why I'm doing phase 2 last, because that's gonna incorporate the other bosses a little bit. I guess this can be like our block part, like this thing here. Oh right, the exhaust ventilation thing. We are gonna use this after all. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I almost always get the graphics first. Like, obviously, usually I code stuff for Extra Mario World, right? And Eminus will draw the graphics before I start coding a boss, usually. So this kind of looks like a foot, right? See? Does this look like a foot to you? I think it looks kind of like a foot. I mean, it's a stretch, but it works. Like, we can do this. Yeah, let's go. This is gonna be our foot. And this is gonna be like the leg joints and arm joints. I don't know, possibly. Like, obviously, I've been the only programmer for Extra Mario World for like 8 years now. When I started, I was really bad, and I definitely would have needed help then. At this point, I've like sort of set up my own like programming environment and everything for Extra Mario World, and I can usually do things really fast now. I could definitely use another programmer, but I think it would probably take a long time for them to like get used to working on Extra Mario World, because it's very different from like doing things for normal Super Mario World hacking. But maybe in the future. We're still working on a demo. We were going to release it for C3, but we're a bit overdue. We don't really have a lot of programming tasks left right now, which is very rare. Usually my backlog of like things to code is huge, absolutely huge. But this one time, I'm actually ahead of everyone else. And the things we have left for the demo is mostly level designs. But after that, there's gonna be a lot of stuff to code again, for sure. Let's see, so we have these. Wait, what is this for again? I don't know. We also have this. Are we even gonna have anything else? Right, this is the ventilation thing. No, this is the ventilation. As long as I can tell what everything is, I'm happy. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna go with this. Okay, Anon, you ever mess with Lunar Magic? Check this out. This is gonna be awesome. We set this to 100 probably. Yep. We set this to 7F, so we skip it, right? I think this will actually work. Let's just insert this. See, it says it's too big because it's 8 kilobytes, right? but because we're skipping this afterwards, it's gonna work anyway. I'm pretty sure. I have looked into a lot of Lunar Magic code because I wanted to get rid of a lot of its ASM for Extra Mario World, and I think this is actually gonna work. Wait, we can't see that here. Let's open the debugger. Let's see if this works here. I'm pretty sure it will. I think I tried to do this for like a previous project. Let's see anyway. No, oh, that's right, it doesn't work. So this is another thing. Wait, what's with Mario here? Wait, what's happening? Whoa! What happened here? What happened? I only changed the graphics. Yeah, check this out. Okay, so that didn't go so well. I wonder if it's like it can't decompress something that large without SA1 maybe. I don't know. Okay, so this was a failure, so let's not do it this way. Let's maybe we just put everything in SP4. Anyway, I remembered now that Lunar Magic actually hard codes the sizes of all the graphics files, so you can't actually do anything like this, which is a shame because it would be very cool if we could. Okay, so we're gonna cut that down. X graphics to here. Everything else we're just gonna cut here. There. We can still skip this one, right? No, wait. It means that that's the one we have to use. No, damn it. Stupid. And 100. No, it's not larger. I updated it. Yeah, I know. I was hoping it would work, okay? Oh man. Well, let's test it again. I'm guessing it tried to decompress something that was too large and like went into the map 16 table or something. Because that was a lot of water, and that's tile 0. So that's probably what happened, because obviously the graphics file, at least towards the end, is mostly zeros. Let's see. Yeah, this looks right. This looks right. Alright. So now we're gonna time map a bunch of stuff. Yeah, you laugh at the 8 kilobyte graphics, I don't care. In the Extra Mario World team, we have a lot of different graphic sizes. It sounds like I really want to talk about Extra Mario World, right? I kinda do, I guess. I kinda do. But let's see here. So we're gonna go to graphics, and we're gonna make a lot of tile maps. Let's start by just making, let's make the Mech test tile map. And, what am I even, no, let's not, let's just put it here. Use compressed graphics for FGs and BGs, all uncompressed. Aha, I see. Do you use only dynamic sprites? No, or semi-dynamic. What does that mean? Does that mean you have like a dynamic sprite sheet? Let's see here. So we want, no, I closed YYC a chart. That's not good. Let's open it again. And let's get our palette. Oh, I see. That's very interesting. All the, yeah, of course. What we did for Extra Mario World is most of our sprites, I call them pseudo-dynamic. It's the same idea, but instead of like loading the graphics when they spawn, the on-level load, the game goes through all the sprite data in that level, and then it will build a sprite sheet with all the graphics of the sprites that are in the level. And after it's done that, it will place dynamic tiles in the like gaps. So dynamic sprites will actually be like super spread out over the sheet because they will like fill the holes. And the advantage to that is of course that we can actually compress graphics because we load them when the level loads. Is it? I thought LX5's thing was that all the I thought he was decompressing the graphics in real time. And he would just load everything when the sprite spawned, right? Or am I wrong? Like he had that like big showcase where he just walked across a stage and like all the sprites would just load. I'm pretty sure you can't load that many all at once. Or maybe he made several sprite systems, I don't know. So let's play some of these tiles anyways. Let's get this foot at the bottom. It's gonna be offset 0, and this is tile, this is SP4, right? Oh, this is so annoying. I don't wanna add stuff manually. Let's just remember not to save this. Let's see, so this is tile C2. And what palette do we use? What palette do we use? 34, I guess that's fine. Okay. You select the sprites that you want. They are compressed, okay. It sounds like it's pretty much the same then. See, and then we get the next one. I guess we put this plus 10 then. No, wait, this is based on sprite facing left. Of course, I'm thinking that it's facing right, you know. Yeah, like so. IRT, what does IRT mean? If I recall correctly. And then we place the, let's get the like joint thing. Gonna be F8, gonna be up a bit, probably F6 I guess. And we want this tile, which is A4, let's go. Right, it's gonna be C4. Then we get another one up here. And this is gonna be E8, and then let's move it forward a little bit as well, like so. I don't really know what I'm doing. Let's see if this looks something like what I want it to look like. Nope! Right, I'm still using the first page, that's not good. Like so. Use a kind of dynamic sprites with compressed graphics, but I think that could not be very friendly for the user. Then didn't implement it because I thought that nobody will use it. Isn't it just really bad to have dynamic graphics that are compressed because it's so slow to use them? Like it takes so much longer to load their graphics. It takes so long. And like dynamic sprites, like they spend NMI bandwidth, which is something you have to be very careful with. But of course, NMI bandwidth is also time that you're taking from the CPU. But maybe that doesn't matter. I don't know. Depends. So this is gonna be the leg, right? Oh, I see. That's what I'm doing for the sprites that we call them super dynamic. and they're basically just they are, what are they? They're linearly formatted graphics, the format that SA1 lets you use with its CCDMA. And then we include a bunch of commands to like stretch them and rotate them and stuff. And then after we have gotten all the like resized and rotated tiles, we put those in a buffer in RAM, and then those can be loaded dynamically. And that approach is like very good for like dynamic graphic speed, because like rotating or resizing in real time, even with SA1, is just not feasible. It's way too slow. Like I tried all the optimizations I could think of, but it was just still too slow. But this way, we can just load them as normal dynamic graphics. The downside is that the level load does become like almost a full second longer, but I think most of the time that's worth it if it lets us do like cool shit. There. Like so. I want to move these back a lot, I think. -6 maybe? Wait, that's not right. Also, I didn't... Okay, that's something. It's facing right. I know for sure it's facing right, because the Koopa was facing right. So this is forward. That's... We want it back! Right, that's why I'm confused, because the sprite is facing right. Here, let's just... let's see. Sprite. We're gonna have it face left in here, I think. At least for like the test thing. Walk here. Let's just do that. No, wait, that's not right. Make. LX5 said that a frame of 16 by 16 could be uncompressed in real time without slowdown on the SA1. Yeah, of course it can. But like, yeah, decompressing one tile. Yeah, sure. That doesn't sound very useful though. Like, what are you gonna do with one tile? That doesn't like mean anything. Usually a sprite's gonna be much bigger, and you also have to keep in mind that like, at least for me, like when I make a dynamic sprite, right? I want it to be able to just be placed anywhere. I want to be able to just place it anywhere, and not have to worry about like it causing slowdown or anything. Like, I think if you have a hack with SA1, you should aim to never have any slowdown anywhere. And like real-time decompression is just... I don't think it's worth it. It's probably gonna introduce like... You're probably gonna get slowdown somewhere. Like, the only thing I could think of that where it would actually be useful is the thing that Yoshi's Island does. Obviously Yoshi's Island, not a very fair example, because it uses Super FX, which is way faster than SA1. But it has certain like sprite commands that can be placed in a level, and those sprite commands will say basically all the graphics that are loaded, they can be unloaded, and everything that like follows in the level should be reloaded. So you can like place that command, like for example if I place that command here, like when you get here in the game, it will just load the graphics of all the sprites that are in this area, right? That can be very useful, at least if you do it in like background mode or something, so that you don't get like a big lag spike when you go here, and you just build like an empty screen that acts as sort of a buffer. The Mega Man X games actually do this quite a bit. I don't know if they do it for sprite graphics, but they definitely do it for background graphics. They'll have like a screen where there's like not a lot of tiles that are used, and then while you're on that screen it loads the graphics for the rest of the level, or the next part of the level. Let's see, we're gonna lift this guy up a bit. Minus 20, I guess. Like that. Why should he face left? I don't know. So that definitely means that this is in the wrong direction. E12, is that good? I don't know. Oh. So that's too far here. What? Right, because it's this, FO and 0. This is actually -1. Let's just be reasonable and put it like this, I guess. Like so? Is that good? I feel like it should still be a little bit closer. So like the bottom one here. Let's move it back a bit. C will have to do. Yeah, it's interesting. I think the only one who's really like tried using like dynamic level backgrounds like that is probably Yoshi Fanatic. It's the only one I've seen do it anyway. Is this good? I don't really like this, but I guess it will have to do for now. I shouldn't work too hard on the graphics because these are just placeholder anyway. So we want this thing now, which is tile 86. What's the height it's gonna be at? EO, I guess. $35. You need to do that for a boss of my hack. I see. Have you seen the hack Mario's Mystery Meat, Anon? We did something really cool for the final boss of that hack. If you look it up, so it's a hack mostly by Eminus, but I helped do the final boss. I guess that's sort of my thing now. I get brought on to do final bosses. And on that one, between phase 1 and phase 2, the game will load a new room for the background, and it's really cool. I was really happy with the transition. You really can't tell that I'm loading something in the background. Alright, so here we want, this is actually gonna go forward, right? And this is gonna go up. Let's just bump this up a lot. Yeah, Mr. Meat's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool hack. Let's see here. So that's something. I guess I didn't. I guess I misplaced it. The hack is a dump drum, but when you defeat it, it will explode. And you fall, and then you arrive to Smithy. I think you can do it. I'm pretty sure you can. Especially if you can figure out how to use background mode effectively. I mean, you don't actually have to use the like background mode command or whatever, but the idea of background mode. Why doesn't... Oh? What is it? No! Do you know what this means, Anon? Do you know what this means? The fact that Mario's hat goes away? Oh! This means that we're running into OAM problems because this is Super Mario World. Yeah, I know. Let's see. I wonder what the easiest way to fix this is. So obviously, no more sprite tile limits. Very inefficient patch, but I wonder if that is the easiest way to do this right now. No more. No. NMSTL. No? Limits. What? Is it not here? Oh, I'm on sprites, of course. Patches. Tile limits. No more sprite tile limits. Sure, let's get this. Just to get it for now. Max tiles for max style. I don't really know what max tile does. I know it splits. I know it like introduces more OAM mirrors. But I don't really know how it works. I have a system that is probably basically the same thing for Extra Mario World. But yeah, I'm not at all familiar with like the Vitor intended SA1 patch. Let's see here, changelog, whatever. So how does this work? Blah 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 blah. Alright, it's probably fine. Let's just get this. Boop. No? Come on. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, okay. I see. Sounds like basically what I'm doing then. Right, let's get Author up in this business. Tools. Which one? Let's use the new one. Patch name, go. ROM name, go. Hey, come on! 598, what's that mean? Right, any key, I'm pressing any key, come on. Reloaded, why not? Okay, let's see if it works. It still doesn't work, Anon. It still doesn't work. I thought this would do it. I really did. So what's the big idea here? Why doesn't this work? When the boss falls down, will something happen? No, wait, of course it doesn't show up. It's because the Koopa is behind that. Let's just rise it up a bit. Yeah, this definitely works now. Let's put it on -1 again, I guess. C and D. I wonder if one day I'll like start streaming like Extra Mario World stuff. Yes, it's supposed to fall. That's what I want. Okay, here we go. This is good. So now we move Mr. Koopa over here. We move him forward. And then we get, he's gonna have his own protective glass in front of him. Let's get this a little bit bigger. I guess we'll get an F, down 1, and then we'll get him up 1 here. But we don't want that, we want this one. Oops, 80, like so. Hello, Renko. Yes, that's why I am here. I am working on the final boss as we speak. Okay, that's better. We're getting more stuff. Let's increment the header a bit. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This isn't quite right. Also, I don't know what this thing down here is. I guess I made the header too big. No, that doesn't make any sense. It should only load stuff that I put here. 30. Well, that is too big, actually. Yeah, this one too big. This is the Koopa. This is... Oh, I see. This is supposed to be 0, right? I think 4 ASMWCP2, I think I said that right. The people that have been working on it for like a really long time are just tired of waiting, I guess, and they've kind of lost hope. And yeah, it's up to the rest of us to finish it, I guess. Wait, this isn't right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tiles. Why are only 11 tiles showing up? Oh, here. Will that do it? Also, I think this is too high up, right? Let's bump it down a little bit. Like so. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Do you see? This is sort of approaching what we want, right? But we need the boss, for lack of a better term, to move back a little bit. Yeah, I can tell, Anon. I can tell you hate doing graphics routines, and I would assume that is why your like graphics tables are the way they are. They definitely do not look like someone wrote them by hand. So let's see. Yeah, but also keep in mind that like the thing I'm doing right now, the only reason it takes this long is because I'm working with this, right? These aren't real graphics. Like when this is actually finished, like it's like most of the stuff is just gonna be like 32 by 32. Like I just say like, okay, load this, and then I load that, and it takes like 5 seconds. This is only because I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's so pointless, but I'm doing this just because I want something pseudo nice to look at while I'm testing stuff, I guess. Where was I? I was gonna move this guy back a bit and a bit further down. It's been quite a while since I checked into it, and you just been waiting on graphics? Nah, I don't know. I think probably there is someone who is already supposed to do the graphics. I don't know if they're working on it right now. And it's not like I'm waiting for graphics. I have a lot of coding left to do before, like other than just graphic stuff. So it's not like I need the graphics right now, but... Oh, the first thing you did was HDMA? or did you do other things? Because HDMA is like the most difficult thing. It's really not easy to do HDMA in my opinion. I think it's probably one of the hardest thing, one of the like least intuitive things. This, okay, this is looking pretty good, pretty neat, pretty neato. Let's put him like a little further to the right so it doesn't stick out through the glass, the pseudo glass. Okay, look! Haha, we got him! We heckin' got him, Johnny! Now we just add the spikes, I guess. Let's see. We also have to add these. I don't really know what to do with these, but yeah, this should be flipperinoed, this as well. No, damn it. There. And these should be flipperinoed. Oh wait, I don't like that. I like this more. Wait a minute. Yeah, facing left, so it goes to the right. Let's get these up as well. I guess the one just below him should be this tile here, 84. What should be flipped horizontally, Anon? Let's see. I think I got all the graphics the way I want them, actually. There. Oh man, I'm getting tired. I always plan to like stream early in the day, and then I always keep forgetting until it's late, and then I'm tired while I'm doing this on stream. Let's see. We also need the spike on top. Let's add that. Let's add like little comments, I guess. Leg, cockpit, pilot, front spike. Wait, this thing here. Right, we already made that. Front spike is gonna be on EO then, which is very far forward, and then it's EO, and it's 86, and it's 35, and then we get another. Then we get the spike, which is tile A2, right? One up, and then we get the top spike, which is what, 10 CO. And we just do these, right? Do we do it from the bottom? I guess so. C8. What's above C8? A8. 88. B. And we're approaching the limit of our coordinates here. I must edit a video that recorded, yeah. How much do you actually have to edit the video? Let's just do this instead of having to count numbers. And start. There we go. Okay, look at this. We got him. We got him, ladies and gentlemen. We freaking got him. So this is what we're gonna work with from now on. It looks terrible, doesn't it? I can't believe I spent so much time on this. This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Let's move this down a little bit so you can actually kind of reach. Oh, this is terrible. This is so terrible. If anyone ever asks, I'm not the one who made this. It was Anon. Anon made this. It's Anon's fault. We're going to move what? Move this thing. What am I even looking at anymore? What is what here? Where's the? This is the glass. Another one of those. We move this one forward a little bit, just a little bit. E, and then we put this one on FE, and we make it this tile. That should give us just a tiny bit more space here. Yes. So this is what we're gonna be working with, guys. Yes, I have been told before that I do have an active imagination. And now that we have done that, we can remove the like force face left thing and just have him do his normal thing. So this is the terrifying abomination that will be chasing us through all of phase 1. This is what we will be fighting. This is Norveg, the final boss, guys. Maybe I should give him like more palettes instead of having him be all yellow. No, we'll keep him like this for now. And all of that. All of that. Okay, wonderful. Wonderful. We did it. We did it, guys. We did it. Oh boy. I did. Oh right, I didn't even give him these yet. I have to add those as well. Then we're done. Then we're done with this horrible tile map. And then we, yeah. All of this just to have a sprite of the correct size or whatever. all of this. Let's see, we want this thing is gonna be at the back. So I guess cockpit includes glass ventilation, no, glass vent and gas thing at the back. I guess exhaust, that's what it's called, exhaust. English is hard, you guys. It's not an intuitive language at all. 20? Height, EO, D8 probably. And we want tile this one, CO. We want this one to be blue though, otherwise I'm gonna be upset. And I guess that's right. Do we want this one to be... Do we even care at all about the like colors? No, let's not worry about colors. They can all be yellow, I don't care. I do care. This one is gonna be blue. I don't care about the fact that I care. And then let's add gun. Oh, it has to be, yeah, it has to be in front here. Wait, you define tiles as 4 tuple instead of 4 separate tables. What do you mean? What do you mean 4 tuples? I mean, a tile is always 4 bytes. You can't, what can you do about that? This is the SNES, baby. Have you really never seen anyone do? Oh yeah, I guess I am the only person doing this. Like, now that I think about it, like, I also have never seen anyone do this before. I think this is so much easier though. Like, you always get them tile by tile. And like, if you want to remove a tile, you just remove it like from one table like that. You don't have to like go to 4 different tables to do it. I think this is way better. Let's see, so we want this like basic at the pilot coordinates, right? But a bit back, I guess. See what? D4 maybe? Back a little bit here, so plus 8E. And then tile number this. Tile number AO. Here we go, 34, no. 37. It's not harder to index. Maybe you weren't here when I wrote the animation handler. The way I do it is I have this like very simple like animation code, like this very simple logic for like automatic animations, where it will just go like automatically from frame to frame. And then I have this like animation table where I include the pointer to the tile map, and it just loads that via pointer. You could also do it via index by just loading from base 0, index with a 16-bit index. I do it by pointer, mostly because I'm lazy to change it, but I think index is actually faster. And then these are just animation data. So this is how many frames to show this frame, and then whatever the next frame is. And it will just kind of handle itself mostly automatically. So it's actually, I think this is the easiest way you could possibly do graphics. I don't think there's an easier way. I've tried a lot of different approaches, and 8 years in, this is what I think is the easiest way to do it. That's not quite right. Why isn't this right? Did I not update it? I guess I didn't. Let's see here. Lunar Magic, go. Here. I guess we want let's see, what is wrong with this? I want the like this gun to move down, I guess. Or maybe it should have its own arm. Where this is the exhaust, right? It's very big. Maybe it's too big. Let's move this 1C, I guess. And then the gun should have its own arm, I guess. D4. Why did you change it to multiple tables, Anon? I guess that can be blue. And then we move this further down. And then we move this further forward, I guess. More forward. E. Is that too much? Probably not enough. No, wait, is that forward? That is forward. That will be due. That will be due. Here, no, what? This is not what I wanted. Let's make this. Is this the arm? This is the arm. Make it yellow. That look better. Look better. Let's move both of these down a lot. +8, I guess. CO. That should do it. What in the world? What just happened? What just happened? This is tile. What just happened? Oh, okay, never mind. Wait, AO? Is that not this one? It totally is. But this should be E, not C. I know how to hex. I know how to hex. Also, what in the world is happening here? A4? Right. Like so. Let's add another one, I guess. Big gun. Plus, what is the difference between these? I don't know. Hex math is really hard for me still. 14, so we have that, and that is E. So we add +E, and we get EC? No, F, we're subtracting, right? So that, that's not right. That's not true. What am I doing? What am I doing? This is +6 plus, what? FE minus EA. How is that 14? It is 14. And half of that is E, right? No, it's A. Damn it. This should be 4, right? And then here we just do again, I guess that will do. I'm not really happy with this placement. Let's move them. Let's move this down more. And then also let's put this in front instead. Like so. Okay, I guess I'm not really happy with this either. But I guess it's gonna have to be fine, I guess. I wonder if this is actually how we will animate this. So at this point, I'm gonna have to start considering if this is how it's gonna be animated. Like, is it actually gonna be just one tile map that where we just move around the pieces, or am I gonna make like a lot of different tile maps? And I don't really know. I don't really know. I also don't really like the gun placement. I don't like how it is in the way of the thing, of the vent. Maybe I can move this back more. Like so. Maybe that's better. Just move it really far back, like so. That could be better. In that case, it should probably be in front of everything else here. Like so. That should do it. This is what we're gonna be working with, I guess. So I guess today we just We spent an hour just setting up this stupid tile map. We didn't even do anything useful today. This is so stupid. But it is what it is. I mean, we're not done for today yet. This is gonna be an actual long boy stream. So I guess now we set up the we hook up a hitbox to this. No, not yet. I'm actually too tired to continue. I just said it was gonna be a long boy stream, but then I looked at the clock and I'm like, oh, it's 9 already. All right. So thanks for the views, guys. This was really fun for me, even though we didn't really get a lot done. Wait, what did I call this episode? I called it Building a Mech. Yeah, that's a pretty reasonable title. So welcome to the, thank you for watching the feature length von Fahrenheit codes a tile map. Yeah, we made one tile map today. I guess that's pretty much all we did. I think we also managed to plan a lot while doing this, so I guess it's fine. But tomorrow we're gonna continue. No, actually we're not gonna continue because today is Saturday, so tomorrow is Sunday. So tomorrow I probably am taking the day off. So on Monday we're continuing. Thanks for watching. We're definitely gonna finish this game, and have a good night, or a good day if that's your time.